All right, guys. Welcome back. This is problem. I'm gonna be continuing problem 1. I'm gonna be doing parts B and C. For part B, I'm gonna be using method 1 and method 2. So during method 1, we will be turning this into kind of roots or radicals, which is the radical of 11 times the radical of 11, which is pretty obvious what this will end up equaling to, which is the 11 squared, which ends where we would cross off both squares since this is a square root, and we get our answer, which is 11. And then for method 2, it'd be the same thing, but kind of different in a way. So it'd be 11 over the half plus the other half, which gives us 11 2 over 2, which would also equal 11 over 1, which also gives us the same answer, which is 11. And then for part C, it's similar but not so similar. I'll be using only method 1 for this one. Whichever one you guys think is better for you guys is really up to you. You do you, boo. We will be the same thing here. We will be turning these into radicals, which will be radical 3 times radical 12. And since we can simplify the 12, we're gonna go 12 4 times 3. Since we can also do the 4, it would be 2 times 2. So it would be 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, or it can also be 3 squared times 2 squared. Of course, we'll be turning these into radicals. And then we'd be removing the squares, and it would just be 3 times 2, which is 6, and that ends up being your answer.